Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best affordable tennis rackets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Wilson Tour Slam Lite Tennis Racket. This is the Lite version of the Racquet Wilson Slam Tour. We have chosen that our product is the best because it was even cheaper than this week's Wilson Tour Slam. Less than $20, which may be one of the cheapest tennis rackets on the market. Actually, you will not find anything having like it is cheaper than normal Tour Racket Slam, oversized head, ideal for beginners. It also has a long frame stop sleeves Wilson shock, vibration absorbing every shot it is to play a simple bat. Interestingly, despite the name, what it actually weighs is the same as the standard version, 10.3 ounces, which means that there is still a thug is very easy and should not be found in a problem that is too heavy. Number 2. Our second best pick is Wilson Federer 4 3/8 tennis racket. Almost all young tennis players in the world want to play like Roger Federer. He is what football is Pelé, Muhammad Ali's boxing, and Michael Jordan is basketball. At the ripe old age, for a tennis player anyway, 37, he remains one of the best in the world and still wins titles. So sure, Federer Wilson tennis racket is the racket of choice fanatics. This tennis racket is the signature of the beginner, but worth it there is no question that the club used. His other signature bat costs in the region of $200 and is much more advanced. This is simply a he has to put his name on. So it is good? Well, like all rackets for beginners, it's easy. It has a head 110 inches, making it easy to play. Moreover, it is very light, robust and well-balanced. Volcanic frame technology gives you a feeling super strong without increasing the weight. The same as the Wilson Tour Slam, the shock stops added to avoid pads vibrations and gives you more control over your shots. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and tennis rackets with this, you do play like a pro in just over time. Number 3. Our third best pick is Head Speed Kids Tennis Racket. This head is tennis racket children's speed, ideal for children from 2 to 8 years old, and comes from modern colors that appeal to you in an area. You're in various lengths from 19 to 25 inches and are ideal for beginners in the game. Is a light racket so easy to handle, a high degree of flexibility and maneuverability. However, the durable aluminum construction is designed to last and certainly go way strong after your child is clearly trained in their use. It with a head that has outgrown actively reduces vibration for a more stable and reasonable result. A gripping 3.75 inches and a head size of 107 inches, this is a big racket which helps you gain confidence as they find their feet on the court. Light, robust and sensitive, it is an excellent choice. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Head T S6 Strung Tennis Racket. The TI S6 head is definitely a step in front of the racket Wilson has decided as our best option. In terms of price, you are looking at almost twice the investment but more technology, perfect for a get-the-all-court player. Despite the higher price tag, this is still a beginner bat. It has an even bigger head, 115 square inches, it is one of the best bats for forgiveness on the market. This also means that most of the weight corresponds to the club head instead of being equal, distributed. Like Wilson, the Slam Tour is longer than many advanced bats. This gives more scope and power for the perfect beginner. That fits most types of games, but is particularly suitable for all court players with compact strokes with a lot of rotation. Used instead of the aluminum alloy in the Wilson racket, uses an ultra-strong titanium armor, provides additional stability bat. He manages to keep weight to 8 ounces, an impressive number, while still maintaining a rigid structure and providing energy in the retention shots. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Babolat 2018 Pure Drive Tennis Racket. We had to choose the Pure Drive Babolat 2018 as our premium product. Not it's just the most expensive product in this list, but is also likely the best tennis racket for advanced players that money can buy. This racket is the latest Babolat Pure Drive range, which has become an area bestseller of all time. They constantly urge technological advances, and this has to be one of the most advanced tennis snowshoes ever made. It has an amazing technology framework that makes it very strong, but also very absorbent. The frame is also designed to twist off center hits when you stop. It has 100 head square inches and is 27 inches long, which is very similar to the other Babolat rackets presented. The important difference is that amount of energy to achieve the shots. Even the best players you can find handle. Unfortunately difficult, it is not the same technology as the pure intelligent racket has Game Arrow. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.